Great to be with you here, everyone. I'm Paul Agrone. Good evening. And testing, vaccines, telehealth, a lot of topics during a roundtable in Clearwater today between a White House coronavirus task force member and local healthcare leaders. McKenna King tonight, she was there, and she tells us what really came out of this meeting and how healthcare leaders are now reassuring the public as we all prepare for the upcoming flu season.
From day one, President Trump has had a strong focus on protecting the most vulnerable. And that's our nursing home population.
As nursing homes prepare to loosen restrictions, Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services Director Seema Verma announcing the task force is working to distribute rapid COVID-19 tests to nearly every nursing home in the country by the end of the week.
Now having these point-of-care tests right in the nursing homes, that's going to actually allow them to even potentially test visitors.
The group of healthcare workers also discussing the importance of telehealth, especially for senior citizens.
If you asked me last year, I would say I can probably count in one hand how many telehealth visits our primary care physicians did. This year, 78,000 thus far.
Local doctors hoping the federal government can help expand telehealth services even after the pandemic.
If you have a mental health issue or behavioral health issue, having to drive in, the act of driving in, having to be potentially judged, sign in, having to go into that office, that actually is a disservice.
And as we prepare for flu season, doctors emphasizing the need for greater testing capacity.
It is going to be virtually impossible to tell the difference between flu or COVID.
And the importance of getting vaccinations.
Not everybody gets a flu shot every year, and we want to make sure that this year in particular. And also, I think this is really the foundation for our efforts around encouraging people to get the vaccine when it becomes available.
In Clearwater, McKenna King, ABC Action News.